Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong Best Trading Broker Philippines. This video is for you kung sa ngayon ay naghahanap ka ng bagong trading broker na maaring mag-fit sa iyong pangangailangan as a trader. But before we are going to proceed, important disclaimer, the content that I provide on this YouTube channel is not intended to be financial advice. It is only based on my personal opinion and experience, which may be biased and speculative. Trading in the financial market carries inherent risks, including the potential for substantial losses. It is the responsibility of the trader to carefully consider their risk tolerance and financial situation before trading. Dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, maraming mga trading broker wherein pwede tayong mag-trade. May kanya-kanya po silang trading conditions or products and services na ino-offer sa kanilang mga clients. On this video discussion, may pag-uusapan tayong isang broker as my personal recommendation dahil sa couple of years na aking pagtitrade, dito po ako nakapag-experience ng napaka-favorable na trading conditions as to trader and broker relationship is concerned. At ang broker na tinutukoy ko ay itong Exness. Maybe may awareness ka na sa broker na to through their advertisements and online promotions, or baka nasubukan mo na rin mag-trade dito. And kung ikaw ay ngayon lang naka-encounter sa broker na to, tapusin mo lang panuurin ang video natin so that magkaroon ka rin ng conclusion bakit ko may recommend na ang itong Exness ay best trading broker dito sa Pilipinas. So primarily, ito yung mga important features ng broker na to. First, meron itong 5 account types at ang minimum deposit is for only $10. At ito yung pinaka-good news at napaka-advantage para sa lahat ng traders. Low and stable spreads. Of course, nako-customize din ang leverage with super fast trading execution dahil sa 70 plus MetaTrader servers worldwide and no overnight charges on most assets or itong tinatawag na swap. Before we are going to dig deeper on our discussion, una sa lahat, ano po ba itong Exness? Exness is a reputable online multi-asset broker established in 2008 and officially registered and regulated by various financial authorities across the globe. Exness offers a wide range of assets including forex, crypto, commodities, stocks, and indices to its clients. Exness as an award-winning broker is known for low spreads, low fees, and optimal trading conditions with a variety of account types that will suit every trader's individual needs. Exness has hundreds of thousands of active clients as well as 4.5 trillion in monthly trading volumes as of September 2023. So, as a Filipino trader, ito yung pinaka-tatandaan natin na kung gaano katagal ang isang broker ay isa sa magiging visible consideration of its reliability. And the numbers don't lie mga kaibigan. I think this is the only broker in the world na may pinakamalaking trading volumes na umabot ng more than 4.5 trillion dollars buwan-buwan. Ganun po siya kalaki. Now, ang ipapakita ko naman sa inyo is itong Exness account opening. At ang tanong dito, mabilis lang ba? Wala bang masyadong strict requirements? And to answer that, sundan mo lang po ito kaibigan. So we only have 3 steps to accomplish this. First, click mo lang ang official link sa description ng video natin. And next, input lang natin ang ating personal profile information. And for the final part, itong pag-complete ng ating profile verification. To start the registration process on account opening, puntahan mo lang ang link sa description ng video natin, gaya po nito. Then you can simply click it. At dito ka iraroute sa mismong official sign-up page na makikita natin sa screen ngayon. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil ang mga information na kailangan at ang kabuuang proseso ay pareho lang as we use desktop. At ang unang ilalagay po natin is country of residence, of course, the Philippines. Next is ang ating active email. Then you create your desired password at kailangan naka-check po ito. Then proceed lang po itong continue button. On the other hand, may option din na pwede mong gamitin ang yung Google account to directly sign up. At kung ano yung details na nandun sa Google account mo ay automatically yun din po yung ma-register. So sundan mo lang ang kabuuang registration process dahil after nito maglalagay ka ng yung personal information. And for the final part is itong pag-complete ng ating profile through identity verification at ang pag-submit ng document as proof of address. Ang mga document na gagamitin dito for identity verification is our government-issued IDs like driver's license, passport, national ID, and among others. Sa proof of address naman ay ang mga utility bills like water, electricity, internet, at pwede rin ang bank account statement wherein nandun ang details ng ating address. The best part is pag ang ginamit mo is driver's license like me, ito na po ang magiging identity verification document at the same time proof of address. So tapusin mo lang itong part na to and after magawa mo ito ng tama, in a matter of minutes ay fully verified na po ang iyong trading account with Exness. In case na magkaroon ka ng technical issues at matatagalan ang iyong verification, pwede mong i-contact ang mismong customer support ng Exness for your concern and clarification by clicking this yellow button dito. So ganun lang po kabilis magbukas ng trading account with this broker. And if you are a total beginner na gusto mo ng detailed tutorial on how to open a trading account with Exness, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description section nitong video for a separate tutorial kung paano ito gawin. Now, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang mga trading account types na ino-offer ng Exness to their clients. First, merong standard accounts, which is may option na standard and standard cent. Meron din pong professional accounts na may option for Pro, Zero, and Raw Spread. Of course, nandito rin ang demo accounts with standard and Pro options. And lastly, the social trading accounts with standard and Pro options. Magkakaroon tayo ng separate detailed video discussion about the Exness account types. Kaya pwede ka mag-subscribe sa ating channel so that ma-notify ka nito pag available na ang video na to. Ito naman yung personal traders area ng aking trading account with Exness. At ang good news po nito, sobrang user-friendly ng kanyang interface. Now, kung tapos ka nang makagawa ng trading account with this broker, explore mo lang. And if you want na magdagdag ng another trading account, click mo lang po itong button dito, Open New Account. The default account type as we sign up is itong standard. Now, kung magdagdag ka ng another trading account, pwede kang mamili dito sa Pro, Raw Spread, Zero, and the Standard Cent. And click mo lang ang gusto mong piliin. Then to proceed, click mo lang itong Continue. Isa sa pinaka-importanting pag-uusapan din natin sa broker na to ay ang deposit and withdrawal. Dito po natin malalaman kung ano yung mga payment options na available in order to deposit ng ating puhunang pang-trade so that malalaman natin kung convenient ba ito sa mga traders lalong-lalo na sa Philippines. So, in terms sa pag-deposit, available ang bank card, Binance Pay, Bitcoin, cash over the counter, and of course, nandito rin ang pinaka-common e-wallet na ginagamit dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, ang GCash. Nandito rin ang NetTeller, online bank transfer, Maya, QRPH, StickPay, USDT, and USDC. And in terms naman kung gaano ito kabilis ma-process, on average nasa instant up to 15 minutes. But as per experience ko mga kaibigan, around 1 to 3 minutes ay credited na ang ating deposited funds. Now, dito naman sa withdrawal options, kung makikita natin, lahat ng mga nabanggit nating payment methods kanina sa pag-deposit ay available din dito sa pag-withdraw. Ang may konting kaibahan na lang is sa minimum na pwede po nating i-withdraw. At sa aking experience mismo, napaka-convenient at mabilis ang processing in terms sa withdrawal with Exness. This time, ang ipapasilip ko naman sa inyo ay ang Exness Social Trading or itong tinatawag na copy trading. At ang kagandahan po nito mga kaibigan, matagal na pong nag-exist ang platform na to and in line with that, maraming mga reliable strategy provider na ang subok na profitable na pwede nating pag-invisan as a copier investor. And the good news is, kung meron kang proven strategy na profitable, pwede kang magiging strategy provider. And you can earn as much as 50% commission sa mga nag-copy ng yung trades. So, ang gagawin mo lang is mag-register and attract investors, then earn commissions. Now, dito sa personal traders area, makikita natin ang social trading tab. At kung gusto mong mag-copy trade, nandito ang mga strategies na pwede nating kopyahin at na-mark ito in different categories like most copied. Meron ding by currency, a strategy with moderate drawdown, best return for 3 months, and among others. Question is, magkano ba ang minimum puhunan to copy trade? Ayan, for as low as $10 ay pwede na tayong mag-invest sa social or copy trading na ino-offer ng Exness. Now, ito naman yung Exness Regulatory Compliance. First, ang Exness ay registered sa CIPROS Securities and Exchange Commission, sa CIPROS, the Financial Services Authority in Seychelles, Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa, Central Bank of Curaçao and Sint Maarten in Curaçao, Financial Services Commission in British Virgin Islands, Financial Conduct Authority in United Kingdom, and Markets in Financial Instruments Directive under po ito ng European Union. Now, if you are going to ask kung ang Exness ay registered ba dito sa Pilipinas, sa pagkakaalam ko, wala pa pong concrete regulations dito sa Philippines in terms of brokers or crypto exchanges, kaya wala pong mailagay dito. I think all Exness complied is the necessary business licenses and legalities in order to operate in our country. Now mga kaibigan, ito naman yung Exness trading platforms na pwede nating gamitin as you start your journey trading with this broker. Sa desktop, we can use MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. Sa mobile naman, nandito ang Exness proprietary trading app, the MT5 mobile and the MT4 mobile. Sa web naman, nandyan ang Exness Terminal or itong platform na mismong pagmamay-ari ng Exness. And of course, nandyan ang MetaTrader Web Terminal. Now, in conclusion, this is Exness for Filipino traders. Una, itong diverse account types. Kahit anong level ka man of expertise ngayon as a trader, may mga options na pwede mong piliin in terms of account types na magpifit sa yung need as a trader. Next, napakababa lang ng minimum deposit for us to start trading for only $10. And for me, ito yung pinaka-highlight sa lahat mga kaibigan. Low and stable spreads. And this is, I can assure you, wala kang ibang mahanap na broker dito sa Pilipinas ngayon na may sobrang babang spreads. And it's Exness only. Swap free on most assets. Of course, nandyan ang social or the copy trading na pwedeng simulan lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners at wala masyadong oras to trade. And last but not the least, a reliable customer support na pwede tayong makipag-communicate 24/7. Mga kaibigan, that's all lang po muna for our video. At kung meron kang dagdag katanungan about Exness, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and good luck with your trading journey.